Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to copy data to a text file and also read. This video is just a continuation of previous video of part 1 text file, but I here had did a lot of modification that will make program more useful and efficient. So let's start our program. So this is the same previous program I did. So to just recap, I'll press F5 and so that you guys can recap 890. This one is write the data to a text file. We open the text. We see here we got this number, and through this line we are reading from that text file. And so when we open it, yeah, we read this 100, 90, and 80. The thing that we wrote in the text file is reading from that. Okay, so let us cut this and save it. So let us modify it to make it run more better. So here I'm going to remove this and write list, and here I'll create the new one. Here the only modification I did is that it will add the numbers user input list into a text file and read it from the text file again. So and also calculate it, the numbers like addition, multiplication, and lots of other stuff. So let's go from here. So user, sorry, user input list, user input list. So it's here. Okay, now press enter, and then same I'm going to use here while loop, so that's more better. I don't keep on have to just initializing till where I should stop. So here while loop you can stop it anywhere you want without even defining from beginning itself, without giving the range. So this equal, I'll put empty bracket. So while true and colon, and here we will use the variable num, which is asking the user to input the numbers. So and here we're going to just write input instead of writing integer. So do not put the integer or else it will give the error if we press enter button. So input, enter a number. Okay, so if num equal to enter, then it should break, and then it should append all those user inputs into a list. Append it. So dot append, this function name append will add up all those input numbers into a list. So which is this one, list dot append, and then those number. But here we're going to convert those all number strings into an integer. So int num. So then we're going to print and see if it works. No, no, sorry, it's a list. Should print out the list. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, now it's working all correct. This part is reading. This part is the numbers for which I've inputted. This one. And this, the second one, is the numbers that are being read from the text file. Now if we open our text file, where is it? Hi text. See, we have inputted 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, the program is reading from text file. So this part is reading from the text file. So I'm going to write here in code so that's more understandable. User input list equal, and then put this. Okay, and while it's reading, put another code, reading from a text file. So put this. Now we're going to run and see. Let's say 22, 32, 33, 88, 4, 1, 2. Yes, now it's more understandable. User input list, so this part of program, and reading from a text file is from this program. And let's open up that text. Yeah, it has inputted, copied the data into a text file. This one. Okay, so now our program is working correct. So now I want to use this list and calculate, like I can say sum of numbers or average of numbers and a lot of mathematical uses. So let's do it. So below here in the same page I'm going to put another part, calculate. For now I'm going to say I want to calculate an average of numbers. Imagine you're just copying the data, your scored list of subject into a text file and you want to calculate the average. So average, and now here below I'm going to write for S in S. So for this one I'm going to do some lot changes. So just hold up. Here we have the number over here. Okay, so for num I'll write capital N number. So here I'm going to convert it into integer. Okay, so num int, wait, num int equal int that number I'm searching for. So num, and below here, but first I have to initialize c as 0. So c equals c plus num int. So wait, hold on. So c equals 0, and now I'm going to print out the number. But here I'm going to just first add up number and see if it works. So the total sum is equal to that number. So C, and let's see if it works. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Now it's working correctly. So now let's find the average. So that is quite easy. So, but here I need length function for that. So I'm going to first check up the length. Length, length equal len that number int num of int. So then here below I'm going to print the average. AV equal C divided by the length AV. So let's run. 1, 2, 3. Okay, int has no length. Oh, sorry, this is some quite mistake over here. Num int. Here I should first find the length of the list. So sorry for that number. Instead of doing here, I'm just going to copy it elsewhere. So here, right below, like that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now it's working all good. 6, and then divide by 3, it will give you 2. So if I run again and try other numbers. 2 2 2. Yeah, it still gives you 2. And f5, let's say 3 5, and then 2. It gives you 3.3335. So now it calculates the average. And I also told you the easy way to find the average is just directly import from the library, and then that is statistics. Then you put statistics dot mean, and then in the bracket you can write the int of num. So then you can easily get to the answer. So this is all the program. We are finished. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.